Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn about how can we run the parallel testing using TestNG. So initially this is my project setup in the Selenium. So for downloading the TestNG, so you have to go to MV and repository. You have to search MV and repository TestNG here. So I TestNG when you're searching TestNG, this is the first one you will get it and you have to download this. The latest one as when you are doing my video. The latest one is 7.11.0. So this is the latest one. So when clicking on it, this will automatically get copied. Like you can see these files, jar files. When you are downloading, right, it will automatically get downloaded. Like actually, I have added it already. So I'll just delete it for your understanding. Okay, it is the delete option. Okay, okay, we have to add that in here. So when the color option, so you have to click on sync files, then it will get downloaded. So and we have one more thing, like for using parallel running, right, we have to use the TestNG XML file. For that you need to go to settings. Okay, go to settings and go to plugins. So in that plugins you have to add one called create XML, TestNG XML. So I have already installed it just now. So you have to install this plugin, then only you can able to generate a TestNG.xml to run the parallel testing. So you have to click on this. I mean, you have to just click on this project. There we have got one more option, create TestNG.xml. When you clicking on it, it will show like it's created in this path. Okay, you just click on it. Okay, just reload the project. Is there any option reload from disk? Okay. So now you see it, right? TestNG XML file is downloaded automatically. Okay. You click on it. So yeah, you can see this is a suit level. Okay. Sorry. Suit level, how uh, the annotation things will work. I can explain that as well. Of like when you're this is this is a structure how the execution will be. Sorry, the before suit. Okay, before suit, before test, before class, before I mean method, at the rate of test, after method, at the rate of after class, at the rate of after test, at the rate of after suit. Okay, this is how when for example in the test to suit you have added preferring something. So when you're in adding in test suit, the firstly it will execute this, and if you're not adding anything here, secondly it will execute this. This is how the structure it will work. Okay, this will just comment it out. Okay, this is for your understanding. I explained you, like initially I told you, right, in the this is suit level is the first, next one test, after that classes. We can also like add methods here. So firstly we need to create a Java files. Okay, I mean class file, then only we can do the parallel testing. I'll go to here, click on new. We can from here we can create a new Java class. Okay, I think I have already created. So if this is test case, this is the Java. So let me add few methods. Okay, test to one system dot auto. Okay, it's automatically suggesting many things. So let me add a few more here. Okay, test to one, test to two, test to three, and test four. So this also will change it. Okay, so this is a method, right? Okay, so if you want to run the testing parallelly, like the thing is you need to use a grid of test, okay, for each method. When you're clicking on it, this is how it should work. And yeah, you have to add this for everything, every method. Okay, yeah, all right. Yeah, so I have added four methods here, right? Inside. So this will go back to the TestNG XML file. So in that classes, I need to like this is a closing bracket and ending bracket is added in same place. I'll just copy it here and I'll paste here. Now I'll remove this. I'll add it at the end. Okay. So it means it's having some values here. I mean, I have to remove this one. Yes. So inside classes, I told you right methods. Yes. What is this element is motto is not allowed here. Tag them list method include. Okay, I think that method we can directly add here. Yeah. Okay. Think we need to add the class name as well. Class name is equal to class one. Okay. So let's add here create a class. Okay, the class name we have to give test case. Our class name is okay. Come here methods. Okay. So inside methods, what and all is there? Inside method we have four methods we have. So here we need to add. Sorry. Yeah, there are few ways to run these test cases parallelly. So we have like um, so name include will come. So yeah, if I add include name is equal to what is the name? Test one. Okay, test one. Sorry. So there is a default syntax actually. Actually, you no need to remember these things and all. Okay, sorry. Let's remove this out. Let's remove this also. Okay, include. Just add it is like test one, right? Yeah. Yeah. Here the thing is we can directly add. We no need to mention the methods here. This is the best way because we have to add in the suit level. So initially we have to does not require to use it. Okay, we just need to mention the class name. Okay, so when we are adding the class name here, we have to mention. So in the suit level, we have it a suit level, right? Just need to mention here. We have to parallel. We have to execute the test cases in a parallel manner, right? So in this, before closing this, you have to enter parallel. Okay, automatically it will come. What So suppose you want to suppose we just created a methods inside, right? This is one class. Inside one class we have created around four methods. We just need to execute test methods manually. If you want to execute a classes manually, you have to click on classes here. So I'll just to click on methods so that methods will execute parallelly. Okay, followed by the thread count. You know what is thread count? Yeah, let me explain. Yeah, if I select four tests will be executed automatically. Something wrong here. I need to remove this. Okay. Okay. So we have four test cases. So if I do four, these four will be executed automatically simultaneously at a time. If I remove three, then three only will execute automatically. So let's try with three. So our thing is done. So this XML part is done. What we have to do now? So just click on this, right click on this and run destined XML file. Now it will get runs. Let's see the output. Okay, three test cases only four test cases executed. Printing test 4, but this is not the sequence. Okay, this is not the sequence. It's executed automatically. Four tests got executed. So in order to, yeah, this is how we can execute the test cases parallelly. Okay, yeah. So we can learn few more things like if you want to execute the test one at first, now we can see test 2 is executed first, test 3 is executed if you want to, you can set the priority. Okay, priority. So priority, sorry, equal to 0. I think it start from a small letter, sorry. So if I set priority 0, then it will execute first. I'll add it for all the things. So if you want to run second, this one I need, and this one I need, for this one I need. Okay, now I'll execute it again. Let's see, it will execute how it. So what? You don't think about this one. You can see printing test 1, printing test 2. Okay, let's add it like this because we did some wrong here, right? That's what how it's executed. Let's run this again. Now definitely we'll get 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. This is how it executed, right? Yeah, this is how we can suppose if you want to disable, like I don't want to execute this one, second one, you have to just make enabled is equal to false. Okay, when you are doing this, that second test won't be get executed. Let's run this again. Okay, now you can see test 4, test 1 and test 3. Okay, that second enabled false is not executed. This is how TestNG XML file will work. Yeah, this is all about today's lecture. So thank you for joining with me. So have a good day. Thank you.